ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯡꯐꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯦꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯊꯪꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯗꯤꯛꯁꯅꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ngasi nainajagadaba asi page number 33 ni masigi mamangi hana mamangi upload tawbuda yawjakhre adudi ay hawji mathang hajirake Meeteilol Waaheithangnau Meeteilol dictionary chamaga nifuni thoi suba wahaida karino minghut pronoun mingonda hangbada sijinaba wahai mingonda hangbada sijinaba wahai English ta hairga what 142 words the word is karino in English alphabet Meeteilol konto karino in Meeteilol grammar minghur in English grammar pronoun mingonda hangbada sijinaba wahai another meaning of karino. Next, the pronunciation of Meeteilol word written in English alphabet is mingonda hangbada sijinaba wahai. The meaning in English of karino is what? Sam nifum doishba wahai da karigi hawongta adverb kari maramgi why 143 words of Meeteilol karigi in English alphabet the pronunciation of karigi is karigi in Meeteilon grammar thongta in English grammar adverb kari maramgi the pronunciation of kari maramgi written in English alphabet is kari maramgi in English meaning of karigi is why samagani fumari suba wahaida karigino thawongta adverb kari maramgi no English ki meaning da why 144 word of Meeteilol is karigino. The pronunciations of karigino in written in English alphabet is karigino. In Meeteilon grammar thongta in English grammar adverb. The other meaning of karigino is kari maramgino. The meaning in English is why. Makhataba amuk takchadringaida Mr. Leriba map asigi matanga amuk hajarumge. This is the map of Manipur. Manipur is a state of India present in the northeastern side of India. This is the northeastern side of India. This is Manipur. This is the enlarged form of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language. Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. So, Manipuri language is the state language of Manipur. Meeteilol is the original mother tongue of Meetei, present in and outside India, in different states of India also. Makhataba amu Meeteilon gi Waaheithangnau haibdi Meeteilon dictionary gi matangda amu hajirake Samaga nifum manga suba wahaida karigumba mingtik yai adjective ama heta any 145 word karigumba. The pronunciation of Meeteilol written in English alphabet is Karigumba. In Meeteilon grammar is Mingtikyai. In English grammar is adjective. Ama heta. In English alphabet, the pronunciation of ama heta is ama heta. In English meaning is any. Samagani futaruk suba wahida karigumba matamda. Karigumba matamda. Hawongta adverb sometimes. 146 word karigumba matamda. The pronunciation in English alphabet is karigumba matamda. In Meeteilol grammar is thongta. In English grammar adverb. Then the meaning of karigumba matamda in English is sometimes. Samagani futare suba wahaida karigumba mafamda. Karigumba mafamda. Minghud pronoun. Karigumba mafam amada. Karigumba mafam amada. Of English ke meaning the
somewhere.
147 word. Karigumba mafamda. In English pronunciation written in English alphabet, the Meeteilol or pronunciation written in English alphabet is Karigumba mafamda. In Meeteilon grammar, minghud. In English grammar, pronoun. Karigumba mafam amada. The other meaning of Karigumba mafamda is Karigumba mafam amada. Karigumba mafam amada. Pronunciation of Meeteilon written in English alphabet. In English meaning of Karigumba mafamda is somewhere. Matang asida Meeteilon gi dictionary gi matang da habidi loijare adubo Meetei mayek asina English mayek ta othoko matamda karamna othokadage karam manaba mong laibage haibadudi matang asida amok mate khara amok hapsinjage. Let us discuss about the transformation of Meetei mayek in English alphabet and English grammar. Hanbada explain number 1. Mingonda haiba wahai asigi matangda ninajage. Mingonda haiba wahai asida dilda atap tabliba asi leipa mafam matam khangnaba located napu case oibagini. Here let us discuss about the word mingonda. Here atap is added to dil because atap is in English grammar located in Meeteilol leipa mafam matam khangnaba napu case oy khanganabani. Matang asida hajira ke English sa atap is added to dil in the word
Hangbada.
because dil is separate syllable. Therefore, atap is added to dil. Masanga essay number 2
Hangbada.
Mase kontoki kujing ahumni ID syllable ahumni. Hangbada haiba wahayasi syllable ahumni hangbada. English ibada hangbada. But in the case of hangbada haiba tamda atap si yauda targadi mase syllable ani da lotion gani hangba. Adi hangba. English ibada hangba. From this we know that the word hangbada atap is added to dil. For representing dil, atap da is a separate syllable. Therefore, atap is added to dil. Then 3 syllable hangbada. But in the case of the if atap is not added to dil, then it may be pronounced as hangba. That is only 2 syllable. Hangba. in English hung verb. Therefore, ata will be added to dil. For representing dil ata is a separate syllable. Matamasida ngasigi oinadi Meeteilol Waaheithangnau haibadi Meeteilol Waahei mathang manau Meeteilol dictionary nene jab loijare channel asigi maming Manipur languages features haina kaujai channel asibu ahanba yengba oiraga di like tawbiu subscribe tawbiu amadi awara palere besu haibiru ngasigi di matang asida loisinjarak lage channel asibu yengbireba khudimakpu amadi Meeteilol Meetei mayekbu nungsijaba khudima ngangkham premasona ikai khumnaba ujari mathangi upload taw matamda aikhoi puna amuk puna minasi